Happy Taco Tuesday, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Tori. Nice to meet you. So something that is very important for the holiday season to understand is that it's all about encouraging others, charity, and having a giving heart. And so I thought what better way to do that than to have another Encouragement 101 episode where I teach you guys how to make an extremely easy craft for you to gift to the other people in your life. I thought I would show you guys how to make one of my favorite crafts, which is these little mini snowmen for you to give to anyone in your life that you think needs some encouragement this holiday season. So these snowmen are extremely easy to make. That is why they're my favorite, and they're also very cost friendly. Last Christmas, I was able to make some for every girl in my junior high small group, and I also made some for my mom's co-workers, which totaled to about 30 to 40 mini snowmen, all under $20. In fact, I think the grand total came out to about $16. So without further ado, let's get into what you will be needing for this project, and I will give you a step-by-step on how to assemble. For this project, you'll be needing some rice of any kind to fill the socks with, a pair of colorful socks, and a pair of white socks. They sell them in packs of 3 at Dollar Tree. And then some string, a pair of scissors, any kind of things you want to use for buttons if you don't have actual buttons, a pipe cleaner for the nose, a Sharpie for the eyes and the mouth, and finally a glue gun, which is optional. I'm using the glue gun for the buttons, but you can use regular glue if you want. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take one of the white socks and you're going to fill it up with rice. I'm using a measuring cup here, but you can also use a spoon or a funnel if you have one. And you're gonna fill it up almost to the top, but leave enough space at the top for you to tie it off, which is what I'm doing right here. And I always make sure that when I tie off the top that I double knot it, just because one tie will not be enough. I've had rice fall everywhere when I forgot to do that. And then of course I'm going to be cutting off the excess string for a cleaner look. Then you are going to eyeball where you want to separate the head from the body. Doing this before I tie it off just makes it a lot easier, and again I'm going to be double knotting to make sure that it all stays secure. And once you cut off the excess string, you now have the perfect base for the snowman, and we can go on to the fun part, which is the clothes. So here I'm taking a colorful sock and I'm going to make 2 cuts, one for the beanie and one for the scarf. And so for the beanie, that'll take up a majority of the sock, but the rest of it can be used for the scarf. And you can use any of this part for it, including the hard elastic, but I like to cut that part off because I like the thinner part of the sock. I just find that it just makes for a better scarf. It's also a little more stretchy, so it's easier to tie around the neck. Once you got everything cut, you're gonna go ahead and fold over the bottom edge of the hat, stuff that top part in and sort of hides it so it's perfect, and adjust the hat however you need to. You'll be doing the same thing with the scarf. You're just going to wrap it around, tie it plain and simple, and you already have basic winter clothes. So an extra step that I like to do is tie a string around that toe part of the sock if the colorful socks you bought happen to have that, because it creates a little, I guess, pom looking deal on the top, and I don't know, I think it adds a little something. Now that your snowman is dressed, he needs his buttons, and as you can see, these buttons I got from Dollar Tree were really big, so I can only fit 2, but I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue them on there. And if you don't have buttons or a hot glue gun, you can use some regular glue, and you can cut out little circles from paper. I definitely did that last year before there were buttons at Dollar Tree. So next you'll be taking a pipe cleaner and just eyeballing how much or how long you want the nose to be. And then I put a little dollop of glue on the tip and stuck it in there, and then you can adjust the beanie so that way everything is proportionate and ready for the face. First, you're gonna draw 2 eyeballs on, and then for the mouth, to make it really easy, I just place 1 dot underneath the nose, 2 dots that are in line with the eyeballs, and then dots that are right above those dots, and there you go. You got a full snowman smile. And here we are. Here's your own little mini snowman. If you guys end up doing this craft, please DM me on my Instagram at mygodmoments, so that way I can cheer you on and tell you how good of a job you did. I just realized I've never named any of the snowmen that I've created, and I would really like to name this one. So if you have a name in mind for my little snowman, please let me know in the comments down below so I can give her a name. I have decided she is a she. If you guys want to see more content, feel free to subscribe. I post Christian-related content every Taco Tuesday. And I also have a little t-shirt series on the Corinthians Corner YouTube channel, which I will link at the end of this video if you want to go check that out too. I hope you all have an amazing week and that you're staying safe from the virus. I am praying for you and your families, and I will see you all next time. Bye.